Hi, everyone. Welcome to Human Biology, week number 5. Dr. Gustin here. And while I'm saying that, um, I get a lot of emails from you guys, and I really appreciate them. And I like to hear from you. I enjoy our conversations. When you email me, would you try to say something friendly like "Hi, Dr. Gustin" or something like that? It's a funny thing when you do a lot of teaching online that after you kind of get this feeling that your students think you're kind of a robot. And especially with so many online courses this semester, I'm definitely missing the human touch. So um, be a little friendly in your emails if you can. Even just saying hi and using my name would be really appreciated. Um, so here we are, week 5, exam number 1. We got past that, so we're going to keep moving on, and we're on to muscles this week. I just want to give you a heads up that some of the content that we're talking about is a little bit challenging. And particularly the information about muscle contraction, which is why I put a little extra video in there about that, and with acetylcholine and all the cascade. Um, Also, the slow twitch, fast twitch muscles thing, I think people find these challenging. The reason I do them, though, is I think they really do have some real life applications that help you understand some important things about muscles and how the nervous system and the muscles work together. So, work a little bit, do a little bit extra work on those. The other thing I just want to remind you of is that when you do a quiz, that the idea is you'll notice that the quiz, maybe you didn't do as well as you wanted. So the idea is for you to go back and study a little bit more and and take the quiz again. So study the concepts that you had a hard time with and go back to the quiz, and you're going to find hopefully that you'll do a lot better. So, meanwhile, I hope you guys are hanging in there. I find a lot of people about now are starting to get a little bit scatterbrained and a little bit behind. So, uh, organize yourself. If you don't have all your materials in a 3-ring binder, go get one. I love those little post-it tabs that you can use to organize your folders and all that, organize your weekly labs. Um, anyway, you guys take care. I hear gunshots in the background. I'm sitting outside at my house. Who knows? Somebody's hunting or something. Who knows? Anyway, crazy things going on. You guys take care.